Hello everyone, welcome to today's analysis video of Finnifty, Nifty Bank and Nifty 50. So first, you guys may be knowing that I have been not uploading videos frequently in the YouTube, but I will try to upload the videos more frequently from now, right? So let's begin with the analysis of Nifty 50. As you know that I follow the top bottom approach. So first, it's this is the chart of the weekly time frame of Nifty 50. So let's try to understand how is the price behaving here and how can we plan the week ahead. Okay, so what is happening in Nifty 50? That this was a clear resistance zone in Nifty 50 and there was a breakout, and after the breakout I clearly said uh, on 2nd of October, right, when this particular weekly candle closed in Nifty 50, that I'm seeing that in the days to come the Nifty 50 may test this particular support zone and we can see a bounce. So what happened after the breaching of this particular support zone? We didn't saw any continuation, right? Why? Because the low of this particular red candle was not breached, and after a huge selling in Nifty 50, we are seeing a V-shaped recovery in the markets, right? Remember one thing, guys. The market always try to traverse in waves. Either the market will make a higher high kind of formation or a lower low kind of formation, right? So whenever usually there is a V-shaped recovery in the market, so these are unusual recovery, and there is a very high probability that this type of recovery may not sustain. So I'm not telling you clearly that the Nifty is bearish from the very secondary, because as per the candles the market is not looking like that the market may reverse from this particular point. But absolutely I'm not interested in this particular Nifty 50, because there is no any good structure being formed in Nifty 50, right? If we switch to daily time frame over here, what we are seeing, the market was full of gap ups and gap downs in the last 2 3 weeks, and we are not seeing any good move, right? Because how does a move happens in the market, right? Whenever there will be huge up move or a huge down move. Remember one thing, when does a huge up move or a huge down move happens in the market? Whenever there is a good consolidation, right? Whenever the price gets squeezed out in a tight range, then there is a high probability of either a breakout or a breakdown. So here in Nifty 50 we are not seeing any such kind of structure, but really there is one thing which can you guys can notice over here. This is a key resistance zone. The 19,900 level in Nifty is a key resistance zone, and this particular resistance zone is being tested for the very first time. So whenever a particular resistance is being tested for the first time or the second time, there is a very high probability we can see a reversal, right? So how should we plan the week ahead in Nifty 50? In Nifty 50, I'm mainly sideways to bearish. If the low of this particular green candle, which is almost 19,627, means what I'm gonna say that if Nifty 50 starts to trade below 19,600, okay, we can plan to take some shorting trades on Nifty 50. But the structure is not that clear, so you guys can avoid taking trades in Nifty 50. But the view for this particular Nifty 50 is mainly sideways to bearish for the next week. Remember one thing, guys, doing analysis on the higher time frame like daily time frame or weekly time frame for the week ahead, and executing the setups live in the market on 5 minute or 15 minute time frame are two different things. Right now I may be saying that I am not seeing any good opportunities over the Nifty 50, but if I will see any kind of interesting structure being formed in the market, okay, in 5 minute time frame or any other time frame in Nifty 15, then definitely I will update those trades live in on my Telegram channel. So don't forget to join my Telegram channel, right? The link will be given on the description box. The another index is Nifty Bank. This is looking quite interesting. Why? So just try to understand the price behavior over here. Actually, the Nifty Bank is trying to make a double top kind of pattern, right? This is the first top, this is the second top, and there is a breakdown of this particular support zone. After the breakdown of the support zone, as I always yell out, that the market trades in waves, right? The market travels in waves. What is happening over here? After the breakdown, we are seeing a good retracement, and we are seeing a formation of a shooting star candle or an inverted hammer candle being formed near the resistance zone, right? So this is a sign of bearishness in Nifty Bank. If we switch to daily time frame on Nifty Bank, we can see that this particular Nifty Bank, after huge impulsive moves toward downside, the Nifty Bank was trading in a kind of channel kind of pattern, right? This is a kind of rising channel, and there is a breakdown of this particular rising channel pattern. So if the low of this particular red candle is being breached after some kind of consolidation, we can see good downside move in Nifty Bank. So for Nifty Bank, I'm making a kind of bearish to sideways to bearish kind of view. So for the next week can be mainly for the option bias, because you guys are seeing that there are the formation of too many dojis in Nifty Bank. This is the first doji, second doji, third, fourth, right? These are kind of doji candles. What are the meaning of doji? Doji simply means that neither the bulls are able to dominate over the market nor the bears are able to dominate over the market. And after a good retracement, there is a breakdown from this particular pattern, and we can see the confluence also that the breakdown is coming near the support zone, right, which has been turned into resistance now. So in Nifty Bank, I'm quite bearish if the low of this particular red candle is being breached. If I will get any good opportunities in Nifty Bank, okay, for option buying or option selling, I will try to update it on my Telegram channel. Again, I'm repeating the same thing, guys, that doing weekly analysis is good for the option sellers, okay, mainly who sell the options, right, for on the monthly basis. But making a view in the weekly analysis is good, so we can make a kind of bearish, sideways to bearish kind of view in Nifty Bank. For the Finnifty, we can see again there is an interesting structure. As I said that in Nifty 50, I'm not seeing any good structures. I'm not that interested as compared to Nifty Bank, right? So in Nifty Bank, we are seeing good structure. So same thing is coming with the Finnifty also. In Finnifty also, what we are seeing, this was a key resistance zone in Finnifty, which has been cleared by this particular green candle. After a green candle, there was no such kind of good impulsive moves towards upside, and there was a formation of double top kind of pattern, and finally there is a breakdown of this particular double top kind of pattern. And after the breakdown of this particular pattern, we are not seeing any good continuation, right? What we are seeing, we are seeing a retracement, and we are seeing a formation of inverted pin bar kind of candle or a shooting star candle, okay, near the resistance zone. So if you guys will switch to a daily time frame over Finnifty, we can again see the same structure like Nifty Bank. We are seeing a formation of a kind of channel kind of pattern, and there is a breakdown of this particular channel, right? Why there is a breakdown? Because there is a good closing below this particular support zone. So if Nifty tries to trades below 19,400 in the coming week, we can make clear view, bearish kind of view in Finnifty. So mainly for the Nifty, mainly for the Finnifty and Nifty Bank, I'm making sideways to bearish kind of view. And if I will get any good trades according in the intraday, right, in 5 minute or 15 minute time frame, I will try to update it here on my Telegram handle. I'm also mentioning few of the levels, few of the important demand and supply zone. You guys can keep this particular points on your radar, on your chart. This is a key support zone, which is the support zone of almost 19,400, can act as a strong support zone in Finnifty. And the important resistance zone for the Finnifty is absolutely this 19,850 level or 19,900 level. So these are the two important support zone and resistance zone in Finnifty mainly. If I'll talk about the Nifty Bank, if I'll switch to hourly time frame, so definitely 44,400 is acting as a key resistance over here. So right, this is a key resistance zone. You guys can see how is the price behaving over here, right? And there are two key support zones in the Nifty Bank, which is the first nearest support zone is almost 43,500 level is the key support zone, and another support zone which I'm seeing for Nifty Bank is almost 43,250 or 200, right? So this is the key resistance zone in Nifty Bank, and this is the key support zone over here. And same will apply with the Nifty 50 also. We'll switch to hourly time frame in Nifty 50. So 19,800, 19,900 level is a key resistance zone, but I'm not seeing any good support nearby in Nifty 50. If the Nifty 50 falls, it can directly fall to the level of almost 19,500 level, okay? Means there is almost 200 points pending, because there is no nearby good support in Nifty 50. If Nifty 50 will fall, then it can fall one way. So remember, this is the key support zone, this is the key resistance zone in Nifty 50. And again, you guys can also keep the level of almost 19,350 or 300 level as a key support zone. So mainly the plan for the week ahead, mainly for the Nifty Bank and Finnifty, I am quite bearish. For the Nifty 50, if this particular level is breached, this particular dynamic resistance, and we see a good impulsive move, then also we can make a bearish kind of view in Nifty 50. But if there is any kind of changes in the view in the markets about mainly of the Nifty 50, Nifty Bank or Finnifty, I'll try to update it on my Telegram handle. Remember one thing, doing any kind of analysis over a particular index or a stock before the opening of the market and executing the trade live in the market are completely two different things. So keep this particular thing in your mind. So mainly the view for the Nifty Bank, Nifty 50 and Finnifty is mainly sideways to bearish for the very next week. I hope this particular analysis video would be helpful. Thank you. See you in another video.